I'm Ria.
And I'm Say, and welcome to your Sage Space, a podcast by Sage Studios.
Hi! Welcome back!
Episode 6, Ria. What are we going to talk about?
Oh my gosh, this is gonna be juicy. We're going to talk about situationships.
What is a situationship?
I think in our generation, that's MU, ganon.
MU? What's MU?
Mutual understanding. We're so old.
They don't use that anymore, no?
Yeah, situationship
Mutual
na.
understanding, MU.
It says here, a romantic or sexual relationship that is not considered to be formal or established.
You're not official.
Yeah.
Now, the first question, Ria, is have you ever been in a situationship?
A lot. I
Okay.
had a phase.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think we all went through a phase talaga.
Have you ever?
Yeah, when I was younger, yes. And when I look back now, I know or I realize how stupid it is.
True.
I mean, yeah, you learn a lot from it, but it's so stupid.
It's a waste of
It's
time.
a waste of time.
Maybe once
Exactly.
is good, like
Yeah.
to learn from it,
Yeah.
but like more than once is a waste of time. I
Truly.
think. Well, I guess depends. Baka naman di talaga sila naghahanap ng relationship.
And I think also, Ria, tying this back to our previous episode,
Mm-hmm.
no, yung 2 episodes back about love,
Yeah.
right? So I feel like people who jump into situationships, they're coming from a place of, you know,
Yeah.
ano yung nangyari sa childhood nila,
True.
how they view love. Di ba we talked about it?
That's
so I
true.
think we can never judge people for being in situations like that.
Yeah.
You know,
You're
we've
not.
been in situations like that.
Yeah.
And yeah,
Again, it's a learning moment. It's okay to go through it, in my opinion. Like, if you're in that situation, if you're going through it right now, it's fine. But, like, do your best to get out of the situation, I guess.
I know some people
Mhm.
who are in situationships for years.
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 Gosh.
And then, since hindi kayo official,
Wala.
people stay in situationships longer than they should. Minsan.
True.
Because they see a guy or a girl and they see potential. Diba?
Yeah.
I think we've all been a victim of that. Seeing potential in someone, but it's not them pa ha, potential lang, but you stay
True.
long enough to see the potential come to life. But then we always want to see the good in people, diba? Like we
Right.
want to see na, he could be better, he could be like this. But at some point you have to wake up and see the person for who they are, not for what you want them to be. And remember, Ria, when we had dinner after church nung Sunday,
Yeah.
we said now you can never change people.
Yeah.
You can't. No matter how much you love them, you can't change them.
Yeah.
Only they themselves can change, diba?
Themselves. Yeah.
Oo.
I've been in a relationship before na, one day this person will value me. If only I give them everything, they will realize that I'm valuable in their life and they will prioritize me. But then it never happened.
And ang ending is nauubos ka.
Yes.
Bigay. And then the person's take.
Yes. To
Nothing.
the point that you don't have anything left for yourself.
Yeah.
And that's
exactly.
really sad.
It is.
Right? Kasi parang sayang din yung, parang nakita mo yung potential ng tao, tapos yung potential mo for yourself, hindi mo makita.
Love
Right.
that. That's beautiful.
Really thankful that I didn't spend so much time in situationships. Kasi, like, I'm happy I'm here now, but if I stayed, I wouldn't be here.
Truly.
I wouldn't be growing and I wouldn't have improved as a person. Kasi parang yung inisip mo lagi yung other person na yun.
Ang missing piece lang, Ria, is the commitment part.
Yeah.
Like really committing to a person and saying na I'm just not just gonna play with you.
Yeah.
I'm not just gonna see where this heads
Yeah.
or where this leads, diba?
True.
And I guess pag bata tayo kasi ganun tayo eh. The phase of like just playing around with people
Exploring.
na let's see what's gonna happen. Oh,
Yeah.
ganyan. Experience, you know. I don't know. One part of me says it's really good kasi experience nga is the best teacher. Another part of me, diba, split ako in half, nakakaloka yung brain ko, right? Another part of me wishes I did not go through that. Because again, I just know how much time I wasted.
Eventually, you will realize naman and you will
Truly.
learn. but the question is, what will you do after you learn, after you get new information? What kind of decision are you going to make? Right? Like what kind of
Same
informed
decisions?
decision are you going? Right.
If you
So
keep making the same thing, same,
even after knowing,
ayun na.
yun
May
na.
problem.
Bye.
Diba nga, if it's a pattern, it's a
I don't know, a problem.
problem.
A problem.
You keep going through the same thing until you learn your lesson from it.
True.
So check yourself. Look at what's happening to you. Is it the same thing over and over and over again?
Yeah.
Maybe it's a you problem and it's not the problem's problem.
True.
It's something that you have to do to get out of that cycle.
Yeah.
Again, only you can change your circumstance, yourself. It's only you.
Yeah, and your reaction to what's
Truly.
happening to your life.
Yeah. We also covered in a previous episode that don't be a wife to someone who only sees you as an option.
Yeah.
Or don't be a husband to someone
Who
who only sees you an option. Diba?
Yeah, don't give them the spouse treatment.
Truly.
And you're not a spouse yet.
Swerte naman nila, right?
Yeah.
And then they only do what? The bare minimum. Palamunin lang sa bahay. And
Oh,
then
yeah.
I get a wife. I get SEX anytime I want. Gets mo
Yeah,
yun?
for free.
Someone cleans for me. Someone pays. I mean, hello?
True.
Wake up, please.
And this is without commitment, right?
Girl.
It would have been fine if you're committed to each other, like you're married.
Yeah. Because that's service towards your spouse.
Yeah.
But
You
if you're
already
not-
like vowed to be
Yeah.
together.
If the
like that.
factor of commitment is not in that equation, paano na girl?
True.
Or guy?
And sayang yung time. Time is something that you cannot earn back.
Truly.
Right? When you spend it, it's not like money. When you spend, you can always say na, I can earn it back,
Yeah.
right? You can work and earn. But your time is precious, girl.
Yeah. Maybe someone's watching right now and sila
Yeah.
yun.
This is
Wake
your
up.
sign.
Kami yung nagsasabi, wake up.
Yeah. It's hard. It's gonna be hard.
It is.
But then it's worth it. Right?
The only way out is through.
True.
Sabi ng sister ko yan. Probably from another person, right? But I love it kasi you have to go through it to
Mm-mm.
get out of it.
And when you're out, diba? It's a better situation.
Truly. Yeah.
It's nice out on this side. It's nice on the other side.
And you're not going to be alone going through it.
Mm-mm.
So get to know Jesus. He'll help you. He
True.
will help you.
Uy, totoo yan ah.
Totoo talaga.
Kasi just a little testimony. I met Jesus in that phase of my life na I'm in situationships. Tapos parang it was so good because I wouldn't have made it out if yeah.
Jesus sees you as precious daughter. You're a princess. And then you're allowing a mere human to treat you like what? An option?
True.
As a maid?
This
Come
is
on.
where the line know your worth comes in.
Totoo. And that's a sad thing, Ria. You know, when I was back in my crazy days pa, I kept
Mhm.
hearing that You know your
Ah.
worth, blah, blah, blah. But I accepted the love that I thought I deserved.
Oh,
Hindi, totoo din yung line na yun. Because
true.
when you're in that situation, you don't see it.
Yeah.
Everyone around you sees it.
Yeah.
But you're like, oh, but, yung ganun ka na, oh, look niya ako, yung mga ganon.
Bulag na bulag.
Oh my gosh. As in, ganun talaga. So, it's sad that a lot of women and men don't know their worth.
Mm,
Because of, fallen world.
true.
Ilan na ba yung, alam mo yung jackhammer sa construction site?
Yeah.
Ilang ganun na yung na jackhammer sa ulo natin while we were young. You know, how our parents treated us. Yung
Yeah.
ganon. It's sad.
You might be in a situation right now that you don't like and maybe you're already realizing that, 'di ba? Na parang, shocks, ang dami ko ng oras na sinayang dito sa taon na to. And I think some people parang they're like, ang tagal na namin. Sayang naman kung mag-break pa
ay.
kami.
Once you realize that you've wasted a lot of time already,
Mm,
don't waste anymore.
yeah.
Di ba pag tama na. Lagyan mo
Yeah.
na ng
Mas sayang
Tama
yun
na.
kung
Truly.
magsistay ka pa, 'di ba?
This is from a friend of mine, Ria.
Mm.
She told me, you are not pizza. Do not deliver yourself to men. Siyempre, yung panahon pa to ng mga
Oh my
bata pa
gosh.
tayo, right?
That's the
Kasi
first
it's
time
like,
I've heard it.
After you party, you go to someone's place, and
Yeah.
ganyan. Are you pizza? Sabi ng friend ko. She loves me, diba? Are you pizza? Bakit ka nag-deliver? Alam mo yung gano'n?
Yeah. They
Which makes
deliver
so
by
much
sarili mo.
sense. Grabe ang convenient for the guy, for the guys. Na parang,
Yeah.
wow, pizza delivery.
Yeah.
And then buy. Alam mo yung parang, come on, you're not worth
You're not a
only
pizza.
that. You're worth more than that. Ria, would you say that now, compare mo sarili mo from when you were in that phase,
Mhm.
what lens do you use now when you see, when you view relationships? Nag-iba ba?
Oo naman. Dati kasi parang my point of view is that I feel like totoo naman, honestly, na I don't have that much worth getting into situationships because I think that's all I deserve.
Gets.
But now I realize na yun nga parang you can focus on yourself, make yourself grow, and you don't need to be in a relationship to be whole as a person, right? Not a romantic relationship, but you can have a relationship with God and that will make you feel whole, right?
And that's the only thing that will fill the hole
in the whole.
in your heart, in your being.
Yeah.
No, kasi diba before yung phase na yun na kung sino-sino, think about it. You're yearning for something na hindi mo alam kung ano. Kala mo lang sex lang siya.
True.
Kala mo lang relationships.
Yeah.
You don't know that your soul is yearning for something deeper. Something holier.
Yeah.
Jesus talaga.
And when you get to that point na you meet Jesus and you realize God's love for you, it's actually worth it. Like, sobrang everything else, wala nang value. Parang ganon.
And that's in a Bible verse. Philippians 3:8.
Mm.
What is more, I consider everything a loss because of the surpassing worth of knowing Christ Jesus my Lord.
Oh.
For whose sake I have lost all things. I consider them garbage that I may gain Christ.
Oh, that's
It's
true.
so beautiful. Totoo talaga. Yung sinabi mo, ang ganda-ganda.
Nice. I didn't even realize that.
So, I really think, Ria, that it all really boils down to what do you want? Be radically honest with yourself. Wag ka mag-pretend, wag ka mag-ano. What do you want?
Yeah.
If you are looking for marriage, do you think that sleeping around with guys every Friday, do you think that will lead you to a healthy marriage? Are your actions leading you to what you truly want? If not, what are you doing?
Yeah, what are you doing?
What are you doing? Why are you in a situationship? Why
Yeah.
are you wasting your time na walang commitment sa'yo yung guy or yung girl? Come on. Ask yourself questions. Diba? We love asking ourselves questions.
Yeah.
Kasi when you ask yourselves questions, you slowly but surely get to the root. Malalaman mo yung sagot.
Yeah.
Inevitably, lalabas talaga yung totoong answer.
And be honest. Be honest with, parang wag mo na lokohin yung sarili mo. And I know because I've been there.
Yes,
Okay?
me too.
Diba? Yung parang,
Lokohan.
hindi, okay lang yan.
Yes.
Ganyan talaga. No. Don't do that to yourself. Yun lang naman. When
And
you're
I
ready.
think, Ria, if you are a competitive person, it's a good trait to have. You know why? You get to prove yourself wrong. You get to compete with yourself na parang sinabi mo, hindi mo kayang umalis dyan. I'll prove you wrong.
True.
You're talking to
Aalis
yourself,
ako.
ha? You, diba? It's like, oh my gosh, that fire. Girl, do it.
Yeah.
If you're watching and you're in a
situationship, ask
why?
yourself, why? You don't have to answer us, but answer yourself. Why?
It's a question to ponder.
Yes.
Parang,
Why am I
oo nga.
here? What am I
Yes.
looking for? Why am I
Truly.
okay with someone who's not committed to me?
Tsaka Ria, recently lang ako, or not recently, siguro last year lang ako na exposed to seeing healthy marriages between people. Like, I see them sa church, ganyan.
Yeah.
Not naman saying na I know their lives, ha. Like, I see how they operate.
Yeah.
Kita ko sila eh.
Parang kasi we were exposed to it as children. So I get what you're saying na,
Exactly.
oh, ito pala yung healthy
Yes.
relationship. Ito pala yung healthy family.
Yes. And I think na-amplify when Charlie Kirk died and I saw how, what's her name? Erica Kirk.
Mm-hmm.
I just saw it. Like, that's a marriage.
Yeah.
It was, I'm so sorry to say that it was, but it was so rooted in Christ na talagang kita mo sila. Kita mo who's the center of the relationship. As a situationship, ano yung center nun? Lust.
True.
Selfishness. You know, it's like, give me what I want. Yung ganon.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Again.
And it only feels good at the moment, right?
Because sin feels like freedom until you try to quit it. Totoo. Imagine ka ng isang vice, kunwari, isang bisyo ng tao na ang sarap gawin. But the moment you try to quit, hirap. Ilang smokers ang hirap na hirap mag-quit, mag-smoke. Diba? Pornography, ilang tao ang hirap na hirap, hindi makakawala.
True.
Sin only feels like freedom until you try to quit. I love that actually.
Gets. So then you can't quit, so you're not really free.
You're chained.
Gets.
Sobrang,
that makes sense.
Nung nabasa ko yun, sabi ko, a word. A word. Ang ganda. Also, wala namang pakialam ang katawan natin kung dinadala niya tayo sa impyerno. Because why? Ano ba yung pupunta lang sa heaven?
Soul. True.
The body, bye-bye.
True.
So talagang papahamakin ka niya sa mga situationship na yan. Wala.
So really think about it.
Yes. It reminds me of a verse that Paul said about marriage. If you can control yourself, go ahead and get married. But just so you know, marriage is not gonna be easy. Sinabi niya talaga. It's not gonna be easy kasi instead of ikaw lang yung inaalala mo, that's another person na aalalahanin mo. Right? So, you choose. Singlehood can be a gift if you change your perspective.
Yeah.
You know, we also talked about this, Rhea, diba? Sabi ko, Timothy Keller said that the consolation for not being married is
singleness.
Having friendships.
Single.
Really rich friendships talaga na would fulfill, you know, would enrich your life.
True.
Diba? On another hand, marriage is also a gift. But each one, they come with their own challenges.
True.
Diba? Single ka, lonely. Alam mo, yung mga ganon.
Yeah.
So it's all up to you.
Kung ano yung gusto mo sa buhay.
You make the choice, but make good ones.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And remember your self-worth. I guess that's my message for everyone today. Na if you're in a situation and you feel like, teka, ito ba yung worth ko sa buhay? Then start asking questions.
Keep asking. DM us.
Oh,
Tell us your stories, no? And then we'll be radically honest with you and we'll say, gising na girl, hindi ka
True.
yan lang. No.
It's hard eh. It's
hard.
Pero,
It's
yeah.
hard.
I
Pero
hope,
minsan yung ibang tao nagigising lang kapag masakit.
true.
Slap you with a harsh truth, di ba?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like, pag enough na, no? Parang-
Truly.
I guess that's it for this episode.
What did you learn this week, Rhea?
What did I learn? I took notes this time, so I don't forget. This week, I learned not to take things personally. Because, so like, if someone, especially a stranger or an acquaintance, did something that you didn't like, that offended you, sometimes it's not about you. It's not about them wanting to hurt you or wanting to offend you. It's them going through something. So, parang, especially kapag stranger,
Yes.
kunyari sa labas, may nakasalubong ka, tapos nabangga ka, hindi nag-sorry sa'yo. Di ba parang offensive? Pero if you think about it, it's not about you. It's not, hindi ka naman niya binangga kasi ikaw yon. Pero, or di naman siya hindi nag-sorry kasi ayaw niya mag-sorry sa'yo personally. But that person could just be going through something.
Yeah.
So, just being more understanding, being more,
Christ-like. I
Yeah.
love that.
I guess.
I love that. No, thank you for reminding me.
Mm.
Especially I'm in my maldita week. Kaya talaga pausing is really important.
Mm.
Because if you don't pause, you react out of the flesh. Galit ka na, diba?
Right.
Love what you said.
Yeah. What about you? What's your lesson for
My
this
lesson
week?
for this week, when you're stressed or overwhelmed, take a walk, look at the trees, be in silence. No
Ooh.
phones. Kasi
True.
bumalik ka sa katahimikan. And I think that does something to our brains na I feel like our brains are fried every day because of ding, 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 ding. Alam mo yun?
Yeah.
Too much. Bumalik ka. Take yourself on a timeout. Be on timeout. Walk. Trees.
Mm-mm.
That's it.
True.
I think 20 minutes
Nature.
of that will like reset your brain and it will feel like, oh, okay na girl, kalma.
Mm-mm.
No?
Totoo, kasi parang minsan you're so upset, tapos you just act out of your emotions.
Yes.
And then, sabi nga ni Ja Rule, si Ja Rule ba yun? Sino ba yung
Ja Rule?
kasama ni J-Lo dun sa song
Ano
niya?
sabi niya?
Sabi niya, don't make decisions when you're mad.
Mm,
Right? Be easy,
Totoo
don't
yan.
make decisions when you're mad.
love that.
Kasi when you're mad, it's so easy to make harsh decisions.
And-
Tapos afterwards, you regret it.
Yes.
Right? You parang, oh my gosh, that's too much. Ganun.
Kaya you have to pause.
Yeah.
And thank you, Lord Jesus, that the older we grow, the more we mellow out and the more we pause.
True.
Because nung 20s, ako, girl, you can't even.
Say,
If you tell me to calm down, if you told me to calm down before,
Lalo
I
kang-
wouldn't. Lalo akong,
what do you mean, calm down? I'm not calming down.
But now
Ganon.
it's like,
Okay, bye. Ako din. I realized that. Parang, kunyari, galit ako. Dati, nung bata ako, talagang, I speak out. Like, I say what I wanna say. And my
active
friends know
talaga.
this.
Yes.
My friends know me to be someone na madali magalit, madali magganyan kapag galit. Like, which is, at some moments, it's good because like you're standing up for yourself. But like, it's not good all the time. Sometimes you have to choose your battles and you're like, okay, I'm angry, but what do I do about it now? Right. So, that's a good
Beautiful
lesson.
reminders. I love it. So that's
That's it?
episode.
Six. Episode 6 done.
We'll see you in the next one.
Bye. Thank you for making space for us today.
Follow your Sage Space wherever you listen to your podcasts. See you on the next episode. Bye.